Today, I'll show you the professional way to prepare and cut a whole fish. To prepare and cut a whole fish. Start with a clean workstation and a sharp, suitable fish knife. Keep your cutting surface stable and organized. Position the fish firmly on the board. Good control is the first step to clean, accurate cuts. First, trim the fins using short, controlled movements. Avoid forcing the knife through the fish. Remove the scales thoroughly, working from the tail toward the head until the skin is clean. Carefully open the belly. Use only the tip of your knife to avoid piercing any internal organs. Clean the cavity thoroughly. Removing the bloodline ensures a clean, fresh flavor in your final fillets.
Angle your knife behind the gills. Cut down until you hit the spine, but don't go through it yet.
Now, follow the spine. Keep the knife flat and use long, smooth strokes to separate the first fillet. Work the knife over the rib cage. Let the bones guide your blade to minimize waste. Repeat the process on the second side. Consistency is key to a professional result. Mirror the cut on the other side and remove the head. This reveals the spine, your guide for the next steps. Trim away any excess belly fat and uneven edges. This improves both the presentation and the cook.
To skin the fillet, hold the tail end firmly and glide your knife forward, keeping it slightly angled toward the skin. Remove the pin bones using tweezers. Run your finger along the flesh to ensure every bone is gone.
Finally, portion your fillets. Aim for even sizes so they cook at the same rate. Mastering these basics is the foundation of great seafood cooking. Thanks for watching.